guidance ku government commitment ye government egenda kikwata etya mu mwaka guno gwe tugenda kutandika.
Era kyensuubira okwogerako kwe kwogera ku mbeera okusookera ddala ey'ebyenfuna ebyesigamiziddwa ku nsolooza y'emisolo mu Uganda. Kubanga newankubadde omusolo abagwa bali eno mu busuubuzi naki naye abamaliriza nga bagusasudde be bantu aba bulijjo ffe be bayita bannakyalo. Buli kimu bwe kisibwako omusolo oyo akitunda amaliriza agwongeddeyo paka ku muntu asembayo agula kamu kamu. Ekyokubiri mu ekyo njagala pulezidenti aveeyo okulaba ngeri ki emisolo gye zigikakkanamu nga tegikosa bannayuganda. Ekyokubiri nsaba ey'enjawulo nga bulijjo ey'enjawulo okusingako bulijjo pulezidenti okwogera ku buli bw'enguzi mu Uganda.
Enyo ng'omubaka omukyala akiikirira mu Bende District, Pulezidenti nkimanyi ng'omuntu ayagala ennyo ebintu by'abakyala. Nsuubira Pulezidenti w'eggwanga okwongera okukaatiriza engeri ensonga z'abakyala gye zikwatibwamu. Specifically, I'm being specific on that note. Naye ate mu ngeri ey'enjawulo musuubira okwogera ennyo ku programs ezizze okuyamba abantu okubajja mu bwabwe okugeza nga Parish Development Model. Yagireeta nga it is a magical bullet, naye engeri gyekwatibwamu oba olusi yeetaaga okwongera okulongoosaamu okufuba okulaba nti nno buli family oba buli maka ddala gayingiza ensimbi naddala ago agali mu mbeera embi ennyo, naye nga bagenda okufuna ssente zino ate tebeetaaga kunyigirizibwa. Pulezidenti Museveni yeetaaga okwogerako eri ba technical people okola omulimu obutuufu kubanga nkakasa abo babeera bantu baatumye nga ye gavumenti.
Nze kyensuubira nnyo okulaba nti atuwa direction nga mukuru waffe w'eggwanga naddala okulaba kye tugenda okurealizinga full monetization of the economy, okulaba nti munnayuganda wenna asobola okweyongera okufuna ku ssente. Ekyokubiri okulaba nti enyingiza yaffe ng'eggwanga naye esobola okweyongera. Nze nsuubira ebyo bwe tubanga tubikoze kijja kutwolobera okufuna n'emisolo okutambuza emirimu gyaffe twakava mu census. Nze ndowooza kati planning mu mwaka guno ejja kweyongerera nnyo kubanga abantu be tubaze tujja kuba tumanyi kye tubalirira, tuba tujja kuba bye tufuluma byonna nga tutunira ne abantu be tubaze nga beebo. So planning yaffe ndowooza kati ejja kweyongerako ng'eggwanga. Nze nsuubira President okukwata okutwongera okutubulira ffe nga Uganda tunarealizinga tutya eno budget gye twakoze eya $7 trillion.
Zasimwe ahabwa GNTV Agarkoski.
Ezo nizo nteekateeka z'abanyeshenjero baabine ng'omwebembezi yanga naija kugambaho nabwe hatakahire y'orubaju rwe erizooba ori sipiika w'ishenjero ogwo n'owesinisa Anita Among yarugayo yashobora okwishenjero erya hatari 11 erikozire emirimo etari emwe n'emwe omu kiyayeta third session. Katubirebe.
Your Excellency and honorable members, in furtherance to the rights of members to introduce the private members' bills and pursuant to Article 94(4)(b) of the 1995 Constitution and Rule 121 of the Rules of Procedure, the House granted leave to 5 members to introduce private members' bills, thereby fostering inclusive and participatory governance. In pursuit of effective representation and oversight, members raised and received responses to 195 urgent responses from the Prime Minister. Prime Minister, thank you. The Right Honorable Prime Minister responded to 323 questions from the members' written questions. In addition to that, the House considered 60 ministerial statements and 5 statements from leader of opposition in Parliament. Your Excellency, the 11th Parliament, as a people-centered parliament, receives and considers various concerns from the public to this end. During the 3rd session, the House considered 8 petitions from the public. Furthermore, Your Excellency, Parliamentary Commission successfully organized a validation workshop for a mid-term review strategic plan for fiscal year 2020-2021, 2024-2025, during which workshop honorable members and parliamentary staff and other stakeholders shared valuable ideas and insights. This reaffirms our commitment to good governance and sustainable development. Your Excellency and members of Parliament, despite the remarkable performance registered during the third session, it was not all rosy. We regrettably lost one sitting legislator and other eminent sons and daughters of this country. Your Excellency, on Thursday, 18 January 2024, this country woke up with the devastating news of the demise of our third Honorable Cecilia Atim-Ogwal, and the woman MP, then the woman MP of Dokolo District. She was a legendary legislator, inspirational leader, a mentor, and a stateswoman with unrivaled pedigree. In addition, on 18th November 2023, the country lost Honorable Joyce Mpanga, a trailblazer of women's rights, an eminent educationalist, and a former member of parliament and a minister. She was a key pillar in women democratization process. Your Excellency, on 22nd July, the nation also lost another eminent former legislator, Honorable Hussein Chanjo, the former member of parliament of Makindye West constituency. He was a vote defender of human and people's rights. Still during the same period, the country lost Honorable Henry Chamber Kisada Magumba, a renowned politician, a civil servant, a former minister, and we also lost Dr. Martin Alike, a renowned businessman, a diplomat, and a first dental surgeon in Uganda. Honorable members, may we please rise to observe a minute of silence to honor all those departed and recognition of their enormous contribution to the growth and development of this country, Uganda. Your Excellency, during the third session, the Parliament of Uganda proudly hosted two major conferences. The Conference of the Speakers and Presiding Officers of the Commonwealth, that is CISPOC, and the 86th Committee Meeting of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Session, that is CPA African Region, where we have the chairman of CPA African Region right here, Right Honorable Lucas. You're most welcome. In addition, Uganda also hosted the 19th Summit of the Non-Aligned Movement and a group of 77, G77 plus China, and the third South and South Summit. Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to formally congratulate you upon achieving the chairmanship of NAM and G77. Congratulations. And this is up to 2027. Just a reminder that the leadership is up to 2027. On behalf of legislature, we express our utmost faith and delight that your tenure as a chair will witness as the remarkable strikes in cementing the cooperation among members of NAM and G77 plus China. Relatedly, Your Excellency, the Parliament of Uganda continues to play a crucial leadership role in various interparliamentary bodies through which our national interests are ably articulated.
kandi nabwe twagumizamu tukiri kololo ahi omwembezi yanga yabasa kuba naherero bazorwe nokubwa n'abanyishengero bona oyargayo yagamba nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe ikiriza tubase kuba ntuzikuretera ombujwire.
When you produce a good or a service, the next question is, who will buy the good or service and in sufficient quantities to guarantee the prosperity of the wealth creator? One of the factors we realized was that normally people of the same tribe or the same locality produce similar products. Hence, they do not easily buy from one another. It is the people from other parts of the country that produce different products that buy the wealth creators' products. Therefore, the opportunists that promote sectarianism and parochialism, starting with their relatives, they are pseudo-prophets. Banabi Abib Shuba, Banabi Abobulimba. The Historical Mission of Prosperity pushed us to discover the second NRM ideological principle, that of Pan-Africanism. Love East Africa, love Africa. Those who are the guests who are not from here, from East Africa, they had us playing two anthems. The anthems you had. One anthem is for Uganda, the other one is for East Africa. We insist on that in order for us to get out of poverty, we need Uganda, we need East Africa, we need Africa. Because if they buy what we produce, we are going to be prosperous. And if we also buy what they produce. Why? It is because you need them. You need East Africa, you need Africa for your prosperity, other issues aside. When wealth creators get serious with production, when they increase the production of goods and services, the internal market is no longer enough. When you see people talking of tribes and religions, it is because they are not serious. Because if you are a serious wealth creator, there is no way you can talk of a tribe or religion. Because you need the pockets of so many people to support your prosperity. When the wealth creators get serious with production, when they increase the production of goods and services, the internal market is no longer enough. We need the East African market, we need the African market, and we need the global market. Since the recovery of the economy of Uganda, we have seen this. It's not a theory. We have seen it. We saw it before. It was implemented, but we have now seen it in reality. Our production of sugar is now 600,000 metric tons. However, the internal market is only 380,000 metric tons. Who is to buy the surplus sugar of 220,000 metric tons? The milk production is now 5.3 billion liters. Who is to buy the extra 4.5 billion liters, since the internal demand is only 800 million liters? The cement production is now 6.4 million metric tons, and yet the internal demand is only 2.4 million tons. Who is buying the surplus? How about the steel products? The internal demand is 1.5 million metric tons, yet the annual production of steel products in Metayimbwa, although still at 610,000 metric tons, leaving a deficit of 890,000 metric tons, it will soon be about 3 million metric tons with the new vertically integrated steel industries using the high grade Obutare. Obutare is our indigenous word for iron ore of Muko in the Rwanda area. So soon our production will be 3 million metric tons of steel, and yet the internal demand is 1.5 million. Who will buy the surplus steel? The products of the new vertically integrated factories will completely wipe out the need for importing high-quality steel for hydropower dams, the railway, high-rise buildings, etc., that need very strong steel, different from the steel of the recycled steel products from scrap metal. Because up to now, we have been using scrap metal, the old tanks of Idi Amin, to make steel. But now we are going to use our iron ore, our Obutare, the best in the world. There is no other iron ore which is richer than this one, 70% pure. Even now, we also import steel ingots and add value. Some of this steel is re-exported to the region. The answer for all these questions is that it is mainly East and Central Africa that are buying the surplus. The commercial area is buying goods and services worth $2 billion, 2.157 billion from Uganda. Therefore, the NRM was right to distill the principles of patriotism and Pan-Africanism, and to oppose groups that were pushing for parochialism in Uganda
Bwanyuma ya mukuru w'ihanga kwayo rubazo rwe hamyamakuru witu yabugana habanyishengero batari bamwe na bamwe okwayo ntekateka zabo ahanshongeze ziyagambaho katurebe ebabasa kubana bagambaho.
Minisita w'ebyamagara mu ndomo ihangere ya Uganda owekitenesa Dr. Ruth Acheng hona yargaye no kusima ekitongo
bare munonga amazina naye bare makutu byamu mane mpimbara district erizova kwabatu kororo aha kuhendera session ya parliament kandi erukwatirwa umumateka gakufuga parliament kugira ngo erizoba twatendera session kandi president agambe ningashi addressing a nation omubintu president yanagamba nebitwire nibimusasagurije okwiha abantu omu bworo n'okutwakubasa kubiyamu kwonka hariho ebintu bibiri munonganyi webinakwatamu ekintu kya patriotism hamwe n'ekintu kya pan-africanism. Patriotism omuntu okukunda ihanga lyawe kandi ekyakuba ekya pan-africa n'okumanya ngu ori omunya-africa ori omwiraguju ori aha africa ekiterikurisha kurugayo waba otagihagire nk'omuntu orikugirugamo. Ebyo ebintu byona ebiturikugamba ebyanagambaho nk'ebyokurya enguzi n'ebindi byona nibigwa omu kintu kya patriotism. Waba n'okunda ihanga lyawe waba n'oyendeza ihanga lyawe iwe wenka n'oyeteera omu mutima n'oreeba ngu oburi bw'enguzi ni bubi. Eki ninkigamba nk'omwebembezi w'abantu kandi nyongera kukijumirira ngu oburi bw'enguzi ni bubi kandi nibwo bureesire ihanga eri ryabura kuruga omu mwanya kuza omu gundi. Mbwenu eki president yaba nagamba ekyokurwanisa oburi bw'enguzi ningira ngu twimukire hamwe twena.
President yaragamba bintu bingi mu address ye erizooba konka omuri ebyo okukira munonga ekintu kya East African community na Pan-Africanism. Torikubaasa kuba omushubuzi torikubaasa kuba omuhingi otiine katare so yagira amahanga gagatatwanise gakaza hamwe gakatunga enamba y'abantu bingi katare kamani kakahangwa n'obwakwana oby'omuhingi oby'omuriisa ebyo orikwihamu okutunga katare okutunga taasi yaha ekizambuko eky'obwire bwakare hatari okukwatanisa nk'oku East Africa amate gakagazaaho gatiine katare ebyaruga omu kuhingwa tiine butare nangwe yagamba nta kintu kya Ruto President Ruto kwikiriza n'obwakuba ohingire ebintu bingi.
Leero tulina essanyu ntino bwe twali tuli ku parliament nampala wa government chief whip omwami Hamson Obuwa yagamba nti muyimirize temukuŋŋaanya mikono mulinde president agenda kuwabula eggwanga era mulinde mukwogera kwa president agenda kuwabula eggwanga. Naye olwaleero president ayogedde kaati nti obubbi bufumbekedde mu parliament obutalabikangako. Kugamba obubbi buli awalala wonna ne mu State House bagezaako abanaamulaba bagulirira nti naye obubbi bufumbekedde mu parliament ne finance tabulabangako naye abwewuunyiza. Naye nagamba nti bulijjo abadde abiwulira naye kati alina obujulizi obumala. Kakati ne tulindirira nga Nampala bwe yagambye nti president agenda tugaana tugenza okusembayo kati president agambye nti kimubadde mwebuuza ddala kituufu ensolo ku kizigo kweri. Kakati kino kimpadde essuubi ly'amaanyi tugende bugenzi mu maaso kubanga ekibadde kisuubirwa nti anaatuyimiriza musajja wattu tatuyimiriza. Ekibadde kisuubirwa nti ajja bigamba nti ebimwogirako tebiriyo agambye nti obubbi bw'amaanyi era okubulwanyisa n'eggwanga okugenda mu maaso tulina kubujjamu. N'olwekyo kino kyekiseera ekirungi ate ekiwoomerevu tugende mu maaso n'okulwanyisa obubbi obwo tugende mu maaso n'okulwanyisa obukenuzi.
President namangu mihanga harimu corruption atuura nakigamba ekintu kya corruption omwaka ogwire akakigambaho ko naaza kurwanyisa corruption n'erizo yakigambaho tinkuhamya ngu natagetinga ekya parliament kyonka ekirungi kyenda omu maisho konka noobura yagamba ahantu hingi ministry ya finance n'ebindi ebitongole so buyagumizaaho akakikora actions zikagenda n'ebigambo bye really ningira ngu ihanga rikaterera omu kintu kya corruption.
Twe Ronald ahabwa GNTV aharukororo
abari mnonga tweheyo Ronald ikiriza tumuro ntugaruka n'ekicweka kya kabiri ekyagarukosi. Tugumiza mnagaruka mu kiweka kitu ekya kabiri. Dr. Jane Ruth Aceng ogun minister w'ebyamagara omu ihanga lyaitu lya Uganda yaryo yasime ekitongole kya Bliss GVS Pharmaceutical Company ab'okuheereza gavumenti ebikozeso bitari bimwe na bimwe eby'okutangira endwara y'omushwija kandi yagambira abanyayuganda bonna okurenga bayetantara endwara y'omushwija n'okureeba ngu barara ahansi y'obutimba bw'esiri. Katubireba.
Minisita w'ebyamagara mundu mu ihanga lya Uganda ow'ekitiinisa Dr. Ruth Aceng hoona yargaine okusiima ekitongole eky'ebyamagara ekirikumanywa nk'ekya Breeze GVS Pharma Limited ahabw'okubaasa kurugayo kandi hoona batyo bakagabira gavumenti y'ihanga lya Uganda omubazi n'ebi byona ebikwejunisibwa omu kubaasa kurwanisa omushwija gw'ensiri nangwa n'ebi byona ebigendereire kutangira omushwija ogwe obutajanjara omu banyayuganda. Ebyona bigambira aha mukoro bwabena yakire ebikwato ebi aharigye no kugira ngo ekitongole kya Breeze hoona kitwire nkiyamba ihanga lya Uganda omu bintu bitari bimwe na bimwe kandi hoona nikyebare okurugayo na hatiya kikagaruka kikaretaho ebindi bintu ebyokuhereza ihanga lya Uganda.
That our response to malaria is the whole of government response, and it is a multi-sectoral response. And so we are doing this together with the private sector, the civil society, the private not-for-profit, and government is in leadership. We have many people who are willing to support. And what you have seen today is an example of a private sector that has come up to say, yes, we are aware, because you have been reaching out to all of us that you have a malaria epidemic and there are other needs elsewhere. And so we want to appreciate Bliss GVS Pharma Limited for the very generous donation of anti-malarials together with antibiotics and antifungals for our patients. And we will deploy this in a high volume area where we've been having lots of patients come with malaria on an outpatient basis. We want to deeply appreciate them and also to call out to other private sector people who are willing to join us in this response.
Abashaho abutabasaganiraho nabo bwanyuma yo kurgayo kwasubwe ibintu ebi nibagira ngo hone ikintu kije kuyamba ihanga lya Uganda okurwanisa omushwija gw'ensiri hono gutwire no guteganisa abantu bingi omundu mu ihanga lya Uganda ngo habo kubwa hatiya omushwija gw'ensiri no guita abantu bingi hono kukiza n'ebindi birwara.
Okay, we are completely out of epidemics now. Our May and April data, the number of cases we have seen is actually less than the number of cases we saw in 2021 when the epidemic started. So we are out of epidemic, but that does not mean there is no malaria. We are now in the stable transmission. Test positivity rates are now at about 46% of people who come to who have fever. When you test them, about 46% still turn positive. We are now focusing on malaria death reduction because during 2023 and 2022, the deaths almost doubled. So cases we have succeeded, we are now working on death reduction. The other thing we are working on seriously right now is how to mitigate developing anti-malarial resistance, and our focus is early and complete treatment of malaria.
This is very good. Hona baba kurukurwa mu kitongole cy'ukumanga cya Breeze GVS hona baryeyo bo no kugira ngo nibijagumana bakwatagana n'ihanga lya Uganda okurebuka ngo umunya-Uganda yabasaganyirwamo ombohereza bwabo kandi yatunga obuhereza bw'byamagara butari bumwe na bumwe.
Distinguished Minister of Health Madam and the doctor and the co-workers and my colleagues too and one and all. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to donate to the people of Uganda. It's a great pleasure for me to be here and have an opportunity to give the things which is very useful for health and for development of health of our patients. Once again, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Abashaho nubongera bagera ngo hona government nejagumane korobyo kihembe okureba ngo yabasa kuyamba abantu bayo butatunga mushurija gw'isiri kandi hona gukabacwekereza kandi abantu bijagumizamo nabo no kurebuka ngo bashomesa abantu okuba kubasa kugwerinda
ekigendererwa n'enteekateeka za government eziri mu ministry y'ebyobulamu tulinawo embeera y'okulwanyisa n'okulaba nti ministry efuba nnyo okulaba nti egoba omusujja mu nsi oba mu Uganda mwonna. So mu ngeri eyo bwetyo ffe nga aba Bliss GVS Pharmaceutical Company tusazeewo ne tugamba nti tubeere n'enkolagana ennungi okusobola oyambako gavumenti okugyawo embeera eyo bwetyo. Mu ddagala lye tuleese mulimu eddagala erijjanjaba omusujja omuntu waabeera nga bamuggyeko omusayi ne basanga ng'alimu omusujja. Tuyinamu eddagala eritandikirwako nga ministry z'ebyobulamu we zirambika bulungi mu Uganda Clinical Guideline.
Za asimwe ahabwa GNTV Agarkosi.
Enganzi hangari ya Uganda Western Sa Honorable Robina Nabanja yaryo yashaba abantu ba district ya Silonko okureba ngo bakwesa kurungi enguto eziba bakorira mu district yabo ebyona abagambira ya mukoro ogokutongozaho okumbeka engutezi katubirebe.
Orienganzi ihanga mundu muihangiri ya Uganda owekitini sa Right Honorable Robina Nabanja ona yargaino kushaba abantu ba Soronko okwasa kurgaino kosa kurungi enkuto bwa hatiya ziri mu district ya Soronko babandi benda ngu district ya Bitunguke kandi nangu bundo kashangana yatanga kulangana mundu muihangiri ya Uganda ejako jangu nikije kuba yambaho okutambuza byamaguzi byabo nebe byo nimishuburo iba kwa bine mu district yabo kandi batyo bundi district ya Bitunguke
orugudo runo tubasaba abayunura bemuba murukore nga luli ku mutindo nga betugogedde. Ekyokubiri twagala abantu bawano bafune emirimu. Wacha abatiranyamanya mweyejeko kunjira kweneko eje basobola okukola mu namwe abantu bawano twagala kubasaba mulabirire oluguudo luno ng'alabirira eriiso lye kubanga budde omukyalo oyo Namboozo abadde mu kabineti ng'akaaba maama oluguudo taata Museveni oluguudo buli kaseera oluusi ze mba ndi mu ntebe nga njitudde mu bwenti when I'm chairing she's always crying because of this road and so nga bweruze temugeza kukkiriza ababba seminti
ebyona bigambiriza lyanyuma bazyo wabe ari mu district ejya kutongozaho okutandika kukombe kwa koruguto Rabendu Gita district ya Soronko na zindi district zone zeherire district ejo no kugira ngo bundi bakabasa kushemera kandi batyo naboshanga district yabo ya Soronko yargayo kandi yatanga kuranganwa umundu muyangiri ya Uganda
ababa amafuta mawulire kubanga bajja kubba amafuta bano ba contractor bakole omulimo nga gwa yaba ego balanga baluzungu basishodi. So let everybody monitor one another so that we produce a quality road. Now too, the bishop talked about a kilometer or so. Yes. I want to make a directive. Where is Yunura? You are aware on behalf of the president. He's aware on behalf of the president, and so I direct that Yunura takes care of that stretch of the road. Twagala kubasaba ebiri abiri mu mukaaga muntu ku muntu nyumba ku nyumba bapa ku bapa liso ku liso akaruke ndale mukajule abagenda okukikola emikono waggulu nebale nnyo.
Omunyeshenjero mukyalo rukikerera abantu ba district ya Soronko w'ekitiinisa Honorable Nambozo Florence honarigireyo n'okusiima Yoweri Kaguta Museveni mukuru w'ihanga lya Uganda nangwa nabo bona babasize kumurgayo bakikiriza ngu district yeye etunga okwombekwa kw'oruguuto
Besoroko kwakwinyayire nabi bere kwalinda enyangayi kwalinda lugudo libanga lire inabi so kwasi mukubekozi ndulu basale
abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe abasize kukika mukorogo babembatongozaho okutandika kuhombeka kw'oruguuto honarigireyo n'okwehanangiriza abantu okosa kurungi enkuuto.
As this road connects the tourism area, there is going to be a lot of development. So these small towns must be uplifted also. So there will be this plan, which will design all the roads and other social infrastructure networks in order to connect and feed into this road so it can be meaningful. Nothing that government has no money to pay you. The onus is on the leaders now to help us, make sure there are no wrangles, people are not fighting, we just get land and pay you because we have the money. And we are ready actually to pay close to 50 billion next month if we don't get issues within those people who are fighting with land.
Abingi hona bongire no kushaba abantu kubazora misho bakareba enkuto ze zirakorwe kubi bakarge bakagamba abona bikwetagisa kandi ezikozwe kurungi bakasima government.
You are here, all the doubting Thomases,
should know that President Museveni
they must know that that doubting must end. The road will be done, and those who are doubting compensation, you have heard from the big men, it will be done.
This road is going to be. This is a very fertile place. Transport, bad terrain has been our biggest challenge. We are so excited as people from Masabaland that finally this to be constructed. Kwasimire navi, balebase muwajire, mube cooperative. Contractor lugudo nokubana kutuluza mumangu mubwangu luwe naja kwa china lubara kukuleda kwiyongere kusima president wefe kwiyongere kumwajira kuti NRM ize mumo nini jimirimo jesi iri kwekola barebase nagira zimbera zefe ziyongere kubazindai.
Once came to the west, then we shall deserve another one so that we can have two. But we thank government and we continue thanking you, the Honorable Prime Minister and the President of this time, that we continue supporting us. Udajiri girls we spoke about last time is just behind you here. Udajiri girls, the only girls school we have in the whole district.
Deza asimwe ahabwa GNTV Agarkosi.
Abatura abataon kanso ya Nyabisirira wahati binakasheko amatamagabo kurugaho mu district y'Ambara bonyuma ya Honorable Fred Mwesije okubaletera obuhereza bwo kuragorwa rwabusha kandi Honorable Fred Mwesije yaraganisa unaje gumana leta obuhereza obu kwenda ngo bondi abantu bakaterero mu magaraga katebirebe
Sina nirakamba yata Sulaimani kurganya merro bindi nashemerwa mununga ahabwa Medical Camp ejizere omwanyu kandi abantu biza baragurwa obuhereza bwona bwa buruhu niwe bayishashatu na nahicharaha abantu bona babaryo mbuteka mwe nisima Honorable Fred Mwesije tarayiti yakashari ukusteka tekere kintu iki akashituretera kandi abantu bona babatine shonga babaryaho arayini kino muntu nomwe
Gasubwe kikampu madam bizire kugira ngo pereza abantu ubujanjabi ubujanja bwa dento bwa laboratory cancer screening family planning methods and pharmacy and safe medicine training sharaka shikabashi so tujya mu gikampu be organized by Honorable Fred Mwesije no mujarwa ya Kashari
Sinbanyeta Simon twashaba umurinzi kandi district council abwa Nyabisira town council kandi secretary for finance abwambara district izoberi lyabizo bari kuri munongo mu town council yitu abo kuba twagera ikiba kweta medical camp a headquarters za town council ya Nyabisirira abashaho batarhansi yanshanjwe kuga Kampala muragona hando marwaro bakambikaha nembazi na bindi byone bakoresa kufitinga abantu kwena ngo abantu bitu banyabisiriya nebiteke byetorire base kutunga buhereza umuriye kintsima timwe riyo ne koro mu murungi abo kwa abantu bija binje kuko muriyo mbarebo mbaka ground bariyo batunga treatment emirimo eriyo negenda omu maisho tusima Honorable Fred Mwesigye n'abantu boona ba Honorable bakwatanise nabo na Town Council leadership.
Izina ryanjye ni Nyendyana Deus Dedit meya wa Nyabisira Town Council iri kushaka muri Mbarara district. Izobere ry'ebiro mukaga kwa mukaga 2024 tubasize ku mobilizinga health camp yabasize tureterwa wekitinisa Honorable Fred Mwesigye nkomwana witu nkomutuzi witu kandi abasize ku mobilizinga embazi yona yaje leta.
My names are Ime Katera Tuyabajenyi, the resident district commissioner Mbarara district. I'm here at Nyabisirira Health Center 2, which is in Nyabisirira Town Council. I have come and I have launched the health camp that is going to take a period of 2 days. And one of the activities that I have launched here is the provision of pads that is going to be benefit 180 girls, which is a very big donation. And I want to just Mr. Fred Mwesigye is working with the Ministry of Education and in charge of scholarship and the board of Mbarara district. But you can see, without any political orientation,
is Fred Mwesigye kandi abinjo bari kumanya nk'etara ya Kashari erizoba ibiro mukaga twagera medical camp hano ahari Nyabisira Health Center 2 mbwenu tukitonga cyo bakweta ngo ankore Health Students Association murago ekyo gitabeje ba Makerere murago nursing school hamwe na former paramedical murago bakatwikiriza cooperating hanuya kandi district yatwikiriza ni sima abantu ba hanuya Busirira nisima district ya Mbarara erimu DHO erimu kawo RDC chairman LC5 kandi sima na ministry ya health akabo kutwabahandikire batugarikire mu nywaze n'ubwe batine sente konka batira umujinya nisima abatwasize na munonga za pharmacies akabo kutugita embaze yitubonde ne kwata miliyoni 9 wakuzitom sente kandi report yitwabona hanuya abantu bingi baba kwatamuza UTI kandi nabine neshonga zamini kandi hana ituri Health Center 2 twareba ngo yaba Health Center 3 bikibaje ayituri tubine mashanyarazi namwe ntaba tuyine bintu bingi bukuza kuruka Kampala konka bukushanga tuyine mashanyarazi emwe twabereka mwe nimbishabo mu government ekindi ekinareba nyuko muntu azano buzabanka Mwesigye Fred nindeba ngu abantu bino mwetegwa amagara nitero Muranga district ya Mbarara ntero Muranga government ya Uganda okuteka ebintu by'amani by'amagara.
Shemerirwe Sifa speaker wa Nyabisira Town Council erizoba twatunga umugisha go kugira health camp ahari Nyabisira Town Council kandi eri ahirwariro ryitu eri ya Nyabisira Health Center 2 abashaho bija abo kuragura buri ndwara zona kandi bakora umurungi munonga abantu bayija bingi munonga kusata kukitebeka teka kandi bariyo basimo buhereza buriyo buhebwa kandi hona sima Honorable Fred Mwesigye akoordinatingire kicyona uko twatamusimira ubuzima ntubatasima tumusima akoordinatingire kicyona atebekanise health camp eji kandi tukureba neza kuba successful.
Zina ganje bageta twihiyo regani kandi chairman ari Nyabisira Health Center 2 yarizo bitu kubanza gukora kandi sofa ikote kurwo mu different departments nereka ngo shongeze izaba very common n'abantu ba Kashari indwara ya UTI. We have gotten many cases of patients with UTI kuno kwango wa Mr. Fred kwatara hamwe n'itwe turete umwanyo kugira ngo twayamba abantu bakuru
ahabwa GNTV yagarukotya ndi Clinton nabo mjomba mu district ya Mbarara
abari mnonga Clinton agongo twabatweniro mwabaziyogo kandi bari kwegita ha GNTV evening special nira kubane kurata hondi iva sakankwasa murare kurunji